Having now covered all the crucial aspects required to grasp R's syntax and semantics, it's time to delve deeper into the core of this playlist, namely how to use R for doing some actual language data analysis. Here is a glimpse at what lies ahead in the upcoming sections of our playlist. In the next video, we'll unpack 5 fundamental terms and concepts in statistics. This foundation will help you frame your mindset for the more complex topics ahead. Following this, we'll transition to the world of descriptive statistics using R. This will be a multi-part series, allowing us to explore each of the 3 types of measures of descriptive statistics in detail. So, my goal is to guide you through the most widely used measures of descriptive statistics used in language data analysis, primarily through the lens of analyzing language corpora that you will need in order to understand or include in a published paper. And I will try to do that in a slightly different way than what you might find in other resources, in YouTube channels or elsewhere. The reason is that I will focus on real language data examples, and more importantly, I will try to explain the concepts keeping the rigor of math definitions, but at the same time I will also try to go beyond these math definitions and move beyond the abstract, making these terms and ideas accessible for beginners. And for the experienced users of statistics among you, I also hope to offer some fresh insights. So I suggest you hang on tight, and I hope you enjoy the journey.